Hello, uh, I'm back again. Uh, I think I will not introduce my name again. I will just jump into the actual work, but I would first apologize for what had happened in my video, the first video of question one. I did it, but my camera is stuck in the middle. It was not recording my face, but I've sent it that way because it was the problem is with the computer I'm using. So let's jump into this question two and see what is telling us. This is the question. This is the question right here. This is the question. It's there. It requires us to write C++ program that reads a positive integer like this. This is the text. You can read through and see. Without wasting time, let me just explain how I got my code and how my code work. These are the codes. This is the one. This is what is going to be output. This program is all these texts here are going to be output. While you enter this, while asking you to enter, this is I've used a nested loop. This one is a nested while loop. This one, when you go through, this is it. We will output this and this, and we'll ask you to enter a positive integer or 0 to quit. When you enter a positive integer, here Cin is what you're going to enter. For example, if you have entered 2, it will give you the integers. It will tell you this one, the divisors of that number you have entered. It will list them in a decreasing order. And will ask you this question: would you like to see the divisors of another integer here? If you like, you're going to put y, that is yes. If you don't like, you're going to respond with no. I'll put y, or with n I mean, that is no. This is it. If the number is less or equal to 0, it will tell you to please enter a positive integer. What you have entered here, if it is something which is a negative, it will tell you to please enter a positive integer. When you continue putting a negative integer, it will tell you that number is not a positive integer, and will ask you to please enter a positive integer. Or would you like to see the divisors of another integer? When you respond with yes, it will give you these ones again. Yes, enter a positive integer. Please enter a positive integer or 0 to quit. When you tap on 0, the program ends. It will output some message. It will output a different message, which is telling you that the program has ended. What if you end? And if it asks you this question, would you like to see the divisors of another integer? When you respond with n, that means no. It will output goodbye, and the program ends there prematurely. This is it. Here we have used a for loop int I. If int I is number and I is equal or greater than 1, it will decrease. Like the thing will be output in a decreasing order, as I explained above. This is what is telling you if that number you have entered is greater or equal to 1, it will put then these numbers, these are here in this decreasing order. Here it's testing if the number you have entered modulus high, that means if the remainder is 0, when you divide this by high, you will output this in a decreasing order or otherwise. That is it. Here, if you enter in here, that means no, the program will end. This is all. Let's just run the program. Let's run and see. Let's first run. We compile and run and see the output. It's taking a lot of time. Here it is. When you put a negative number, that's 2, it will tell you please enter a positive number. If you continue putting something which is negative again, it will tell you this one is not a positive integer. You like, if you respond with y, that means yes, it will give you this. Please enter a positive integer. Okay. When you enter a positive integer, that is 2, positive 2, it will tell you the divisors of 2 are. If you like to put another one, you reply with yes. If you are not interested to continue, just tap on end. The program ends there. That's how this code works. Thank you so much. That is all for now.